Alright, let's be real for a second. Sundays, Sundays. The day that feels like a mix of relaxation and looming responsibility, right? It's the last day of the weekend, and while most of us want to savor every minute of it, we often get caught up in thinking about the work week ahead. And let's be honest, we've all had those Sundays that felt a little too rushed or a little too stressful. But what if I told you that Sundays don't have to be like that? What if I told you that today, we're going to unlock the ultimate Sunday experience? You can actually enjoy every moment and set yourself up for the week ahead with some simple and surprisingly powerful ideas. In the next 30 minutes, we're going to dive deep into how to make your Sundays the best part of your week. Whether you're looking for relaxation, productivity, or simply a way to recharge, I'm about to show you how to make every Sunday a day you'll look forward to. Ready? Let's get started. Okay, so here's the first thing I want you to know. Sunday is your day. Yes, it's the end of the weekend, but it doesn't have to be the end of your enjoyment. It's all about creating a balance between relaxation, fun, and even a little productivity to help you feel ready for the week. And trust me, it's a lot easier than you think. Now, let's start by thinking about what Sundays should feel like. Do you want your Sunday to be peaceful and slow, or are you craving adventure and excitement? Maybe a little bit of both? Here's the good news. You can have it all, and I'm going to show you how. Embracing slow mornings. Let's kick things off with something that is key to enjoying Sundays: slow mornings. Trust me, rushing through the first few hours of your Sunday is a big mistake. You want to ease into the day without the usual stress. Instead of jumping out of bed, start your morning at your own pace. Set the tone for a relaxed day. Whether that means staying in bed for a bit longer, stretching out, or simply enjoying a slow breakfast, the first few hours of your Sunday are precious. Try making Sunday mornings a ritual. Maybe it's brewing your favorite coffee or tea and savoring it in your favorite spot. Or maybe you light a candle and spend time journaling, reflecting, or planning your week ahead in a peaceful way. Taking your time here can set a calm tone that stays with you throughout the day. The power of a Sunday routine. Now, here's something I know might sound a little counterintuitive: a routine. Yes, you heard that right, having a routine on Sunday can actually make the day feel more enjoyable. It might sound like the last thing you'd want on a day meant for relaxation, but trust me, it's about creating a sense of structure that enhances your rest. Think about it. Having a simple routine gives your Sunday a rhythm. You know what to expect, and this predictability reduces stress. And the best part? It's flexible. A routine doesn't mean you have to be rigid. It's just a way of ensuring you make the most out of your day. For example, you could set aside time for a morning walk, a few hours of reading, some light cleaning or decluttering, and maybe a relaxing afternoon activity like cooking a great meal. The key is to build in pockets of rest and productivity that don't overwhelm you. Indulge in a Sunday brunch or favorite meal. Alright, let's talk about something that I personally look forward to every Sunday: Sunday brunch. It's like a tradition for so many of us, and if you haven't embraced it yet, I highly recommend you do. Whether you're cooking it yourself or heading to your favorite brunch spot, Sunday brunch is the perfect excuse to indulge in some of your favorite foods. Maybe it's fluffy pancakes, avocado toast, or a hearty bowl of oats with all the toppings. Whatever it is, make sure it's something that brings you joy. Even if brunch isn't your thing, taking time to cook a special meal for yourself is a fantastic way to elevate your Sunday. Preparing a meal can be a meditative experience, and the satisfaction of sitting down to enjoy something delicious is pure bliss. Bonus points if you invite loved ones or friends over to share it with you. Take time for a hobby or passion project. Here's the thing: Sundays are the perfect opportunity to focus on something that lights you up. I'm talking about your hobby or a passion project, something you love but maybe don't get to dedicate enough time to during the work week. Whether it's painting, playing an instrument, photography, writing, crafting, or even working on a personal project, take the time on Sunday to pour your energy into something creative or fulfilling. It's a great way to escape the grind of the week and really tap into what makes you feel alive. Spending a couple of hours on a passion project can also give you a sense of accomplishment, and the beauty of it is that it doesn't feel like work at all. It's fun, it's rewarding, and it's completely yours. Outdoor activities, fresh air and movement. Let's talk about movement. One of the best ways to enjoy your Sunday is by getting outside, moving your body, and soaking in some fresh air. Whether that's a brisk walk in the park, a casual bike ride, a hike, or even just sitting outside with a good book, spending time outdoors has incredible benefits. Not only does being outside boost your mood and energy, but it also gives you a break from your usual indoor spaces, helping to reset your mind. The best part? You don't have to do anything intense. Just a little fresh air and movement can do wonders for your mental clarity and relaxation. Mindfulness and reflection. Recharge your mental state now. Let's dive into something that can really transform how you experience your Sundays: mindfulness and reflection. Sunday is the perfect day to check in with yourself, recharge, and practice gratitude. Whether you meditate, do yoga, or simply take a few minutes to reflect on the week, this time helps you reset your mind for the week ahead. It allows you to release any stress, feel grounded, and prepare mentally for Monday. Try setting aside a few moments to breathe deeply, clear your head, or write down what you're grateful for. It's a simple practice that can really help you connect with the present moment and shift your focus away from the workweek stress. Socialize. Spending time with loved ones. Another fantastic way to enjoy your Sunday is by connecting with the people you care about. Whether it's family, friends, or even just a phone call with someone special, spending quality time with loved ones is priceless. You don't have to do anything extravagant. A simple afternoon hangout, a chat over coffee, or a game night can be the perfect way to wrap up your weekend and enjoy the day together. It's all about those meaningful connections. Preparing for the week ahead. Setting intentions now. Let's talk about one of the most underrated yet incredibly valuable things you can do on a Sunday: preparing for the week ahead. I know, you're thinking, I don't want to think about Monday yet. But trust me, a little prep goes a long way. Spend a few minutes planning out your week, whether it's organizing your schedule, setting your goals, or tidying up your workspace. A little preparation can make the transition into the week so much smoother, and it'll help you feel less stressed on Monday morning. And hey, Sunday is the perfect day to establish a routine for setting intentions. Make it a part of your day that you actually look forward to, a moment of quiet time to focus on what you want to achieve. So, there you have it, how to enjoy your Sunday to the fullest. Whether you choose to slow down, engage in a hobby, get outside, or simply relax, remember, Sunday is your day. Don't rush it, don't let it slip by, you deserve to make the most of it. I hope these tips help you craft the perfect Sunday for yourself, no matter how you choose to spend it. And if you have any of your own Sunday rituals or favorite ways to relax, let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more lifestyle and self-care tips. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful Sunday.